Hey, I want to talk to you today about restoration of the Ocklawaha River. This is a popular topic in Central Florida because it has the potential to make a big impact on our freshwater community. Now, if you know anything about Mighty River Recovery, you know we're an organization based strictly on science and built for you. If nothing else at all, it's our goal to bring you truthful, transparent information on all the issues affecting the St. Johns River and its connecting waterways. We don't play politics, and we don't work towards any directed narrative. And for that reason, we have substantial concerns over the proposed project of Ocklawaha River restoration. So we decided to do some digging. Over the last several months, members of our organization have reviewed countless studies and data regarding this project in order to learn more. This includes information from the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, the St. Johns River Water Management District, the Florida FWC, and dozens of independent scientists. We're now ready to bring our findings to you so you can be better informed of this project and decide on your own whether or not to support it. In our reports, we address the areas we work on every day. That's water flow, water quality, and fish and wildlife habitat. And typical of any project affecting natural resources, there are winners and there are losers. For example, we believe the project may be beneficial to manatees, but detrimental to bald eagles. It may increase water flowing into the St. Johns River, but that water coming in will carry a higher level of nutrient pollution. Again, you can review and decide for yourself. And one more thing. Unfortunately, this project carries with it a lot of misleading information. We decided to address that to help you steer clear of the narrative. Our breakdown includes 2 installments, one that specifically talks about water flow and water quality, and the other, the impacts to fish, wildlife, and their habitat. You can find both on the Mighty River Recovery blog page, and we've got links in this post below. We hope this information gives you a better understanding of all the impacts of this important project.